Welcome to the first episode, technically second, but first episode of the Honda Fit build series. This is where I take my daily driver 2011 Honda Fit Sport and turn it into the ultimate daily driving machine. Feels good to finally release this video. It feels good to be installing this video. It feels good. I don't feel good, however. But I'm gonna push through because today's the day that we install the reaction coilovers onto the Honda Fit. My stock-ish, let me rephrase that. My stock height Honda Fit is finally getting the treatment that it deserves. We've done exhaust, we've done brakes, we've done exterior styling, a little bit of interior styling. Now it is time to make it all come together and fully transform the Fit's fitment. Cause right now, playboy, if you see what I'm seeing right now, that ain't it, brother. That ain't it. I've been on reaction coilovers for 3 years now, and it's pretty cool. Like when I flew out there early in the year, I had a track day with them. They invited me out for a track day, and I was talking to one of the head honchos over there. And come to find out, bro, I'm like the first influencer. I can't believe I just called myself an influencer. Dang. But I'm one of the first people with an influence. I'm an influencer, bruh, to actually work with reaction. So that made me feel special, and I'm glad that people are taking my word and realizing how great reaction coilovers really are. So without further ado-sies, it's time to unbox and install my reaction coilovers, baby. Then these bad girls can finally be thrown on and fitted to perfection of the fitments. So here's the unboxing of the reaction coilovers for the Honda Fitties, the GE8s. Have our rear right here. The rears are super simple. They actually included some extra springs. But we have coilover keys, we have our adjuster dampening knobs, a lanyard, a cool little sticker, and yeah, we got everything we need though. License plate frame, sticker pack, and the beast that is the coilover. After today, this gap will be no more. I'm actually gonna start with the rear. Instead of just jacking the whole car up at one time, I think it's better that I start with the rear. From the videos I've seen, easier and better to start with the rear than work our way to the front. You actually have to use the jack to like raise up the beam support so you could, when you set your preload, you can put the bolt inside of the shock. So we're gonna start with the rear first. And yeah, we'll probably do like a voiceover thing. Y'all been liking the voiceovers, I think. I don't know, I'm not too sure. But yeah, we have everything we need. Let's go ahead and get this bad girl installed. Time for that A+ voiceover work. So step 3, once you have the car raised up, the wheel them off. Now you want to remove the wheel sensor from the thingy majig. Open up your hatch, remove the coilover covers, suspension covers with a flathead screwdriver. Now it is time for the removal of the top of the strut. You need a 5mm hex socket or Allen key, 14mm ratchet wrench. Brace the 5mm socket. I braced mine against the panel as you see. and then just, you know, crank that thing loose like Soldier Boy, and you're good to go, player. Now at the bottom, use a 14mm socket, and then again, crank that John loose, playboy. I had to get a bigger gun, as you can see. Had to use that big boy Milwaukee. Watch how that John just come right out of that old bomba clod that ain't them loose, you know. Then stump the yard like Chris Brown on your hub, and there you go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now all you really gotta do is start the process of what you just, I forgot how that saying goes. Start the removal process, you know what I mean. Just basically whatever you took off, just add the new shit on and you're good to go. You know what I mean? I ain't no damn professional over here, I make it do what it do, you heard? I had Shorty come out with the bacon, egg, and cheese, you feel me? And we got that John on, alright? So when you want to set your ride height in the rear, you adjust the shock, and then when you set your preload, once you have the shock installed inside of the arm of the hub, I don't know what you would call that piece, you want to raise the rear hub 1/4 inch, I believe, higher to set the preload, and then there you go. It's really easy to set your ride height in the rear. You just, you know, set it however you want to see fit. Love you, bye. Now for the front, which is really simple. It's quite more things you have to remove. Your front sway bar end links. It's a 14mm with a 5mm hex head. Then you have to remove your windshield wipers and the assembly so you have room to the top driver's side front shock. Okay, so my coilover installation, it's not going according to plan, I should say. So I'm putting the wheels on. I have the nice conings going on. The front's pretty much on. Look at that. Ooh, it looks good. And the homie Demetrius came by. He just pulled up on me, which was cool. He went to tighten the thing for me because we're doing suspension adjustments in the rear. And I think the Milwaukee, I'm using a big in Milwaukee too, like the beefy boy 2627-20, and yeah, dude, I think he over torqued it and it came off. So I hit up the homies over at Reaction. Hopefully they can overnight me something and I can get this thing on the road. I haven't made a video in a couple of days, and I'm sad because now the car has to sit like this. And bro, I didn't want to show y'all until I did the cinematics, but dude, it's gonna look so good, bro. It's gonna look so good. This is how the Fit is going to look till I can get the new strut to come in, which I don't know, it could be Friday. This sucks. So unfortunately, that's probably gonna wrap it up for this video. Not the video I was hoping to make, but the coilovers did get installed. But this will be like a coilover install, an ultimate wheel fitment, or the fits, whatever the So today's video is gonna be a coilover gets installed. Yep, we installed the coilovers, and then when I was going to do my adjustments, I did the front two, I did the driver's side, rear, and then going to the passenger side. It went wrong, bro. Now I have to wait for the new one to arrive, which I don't know when, but whenever it does get here, will be money bags, and then I can give you guys the ultimate video of the fitment and the cinematics, and you know, make that a video of its own. But I can't even drive my car, unfortunately. All in all, that is pretty much it for this video. But if you guys are looking for coilovers for your Honda Fit or any car you own, Reaction is the one-stop shop where you can save 15% off if you use discount code Zosh. That's over like a crap ton of money. Quality coilovers built in the USA. I've been to the actual facility, California, and you know, they treat me like family. So I know for damn sure they'll take care of you if you guys run into any issues like I have. Even though it's user error, they're still gonna look out for me and take care of me, and I can't thank them enough. So huge thank you to Reaction. If you want to support me, support the people that support me. Discount code Zosh at reactionusa.com. And that's going to wrap it up for episode 9 or 10. I think it's 9. 9 or 10 of the Honda Fit build series. Thank you guys for watching. I am out. Peace.